From the outside, this home already feels like a private luxury resort in the heart of the Swiss Alps. Step inside, and the beautiful stone glass and warm lighting make the entrance feel truly special. This living room keeps things elegant and comfortable with amazing views of the mountains all around. The tall ceiling and huge windows give this space a grand feeling while the fireplace keeps it warm and inviting. Imagine having dinner here surrounded by beautiful mountains and a space designed for unforgettable evenings. The kitchen is clean, modern, and incredibly spacious, with a marble island that becomes the heart of the home. Waking up here would be something else, with the snowy Alps right outside your bedroom window. This bathroom feels more like a private spa with beautiful marble and a deep bathtub and incredible mountain views. After a long day, this private spa is the perfect place to slow down, relax, and enjoy the peaceful surroundings. The indoor pool brings the beauty of the Alps right into the home, creating a calm and luxurious escape. Even the staircase becomes a statement here with elegant marble glass and beautiful lighting from above. Movie nights would feel completely different in this private cinema with comfortable seats and a luxury lounge atmosphere. This cozy lounge is made for quiet evenings, good conversations, and enjoying the incredible view outside. For a peaceful afternoon, this beautiful library offers a warm and quiet corner away from the rest of the house. Up here, the views becomes the star with the Swiss mountains stretching as far as you can see. This terrace is perfect for enjoying sunny afternoons, relaxing by the pool, and taking in the mountain air. At night, the whole house comes alive, glowing beautifully against the dark Alpine mountains. Every detail comes together perfectly, creating a Swiss dream home that feels private, peaceful, and truly unforgettable.